Hello and welcome to ESM Squared, the podcast for experienced social media marketers. I'm Emily, your host and long-time member of the team here at Iconosquare. Iconosquare is one of the leading analytics and management tools for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and now TikTok. We're proud to work with some of the biggest agencies in the world, as well as huge brands such as Patagonia, Versace, Sephora, and even NASA. If you're new to Iconosquare or just haven't got around to checking out our tools before, you can start with the basics by heading over to audit.iconosquare.com and getting a free audit of your Instagram and Facebook accounts to find out once and for all where you're flying high and where you're falling flat. These audits are extremely helpful when it comes to identifying problem areas and efficiently improving your social media strategy. If you're a regular listener of ESM Squared, you'll know that we have two types of episode: the interviews with social media experts, where professionals share with me and all of you their experiences working with social media, as well as their internal strategies, tips, tricks, and more. And we also have tutorial episodes in which I talk about a particular topic which can often be a burning question for social media marketers like you and help guide you into making strong decisions for your social strategy. This episode is a tutorial and I'm going to be giving you our best tips on how to make money on TikTok. The content has been adapted from a blog post on ESM Squared, and unsurprisingly, it's been extremely popular with the current state of affairs on TikTok. Everyone wants to be a part of the magic. So listen up, take notes, and if you don't feel like taking notes, you can find the associated blog post on esm2.iconosquared.com. I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the podcast and leave us a rating once you're done. And don't forget that you can trial Iconosquare for free for a whole 2 weeks, and you don't need to share any credit card information to get started. Contact me directly for any questions or feedback via emily@iconosquare.com. Let's get started. TikTok is the fastest growing social media platform in the world. The app has taken the social media world by storm. Since its release, it has been downloaded more than 1.5 billion times from the App Store. There are currently over 800 million monthly active users on the platform. With TikTok increasing in popularity, a lot of people are wondering if the platform can be monetized. Creators on the platform are asking if they can make money from their videos, and the simple answer is yes. Similar to other platforms like Instagram and YouTube, TikTok can be monetized. While TikTok doesn't have an established system for making money from your videos, there are still several strategies you can use to make money on the platform. Since the platform's still relatively new, there isn't a lot of competition yet. Many people are still trying to understand the viral video platform, and that's why this detailed guide will help you get started immediately. If you're wondering how you can make money on TikTok, then you definitely want to listen up. Tip number 1, become a TikTok influencer. Similar to other social media platforms, one of the ways you can make money on TikTok is by becoming an influencer. While it's no easy task, becoming an influencer, it's definitely worth the effort. According to reports from Forbes, the most popular TikTok stars earned millions of dollars in the past year. Addison Rae, with nearly 54 million followers, was the highest earning TikTok star. She generated an income of $5 million within a 12-month period. Charli D'Amelio, 77 million followers, ranks second with an estimated $4 million, and Charli's sister ranks third, earning an estimated $2.9 million in the same period. The question now is, do you need millions of followers before you can become a TikTok influencer? And while the numbers do matter, follower count is not the most important metric that brands use in choosing influencers to work with. Most brands look at the number of engaged followers. An influencer with 20,000 followers might have a more engaged audience than an influencer with 100,000 followers. Another interesting fact is that most brands prefer to work with micro-influencers, which is to say influencers with a few hundred to 20,000 followers. While influencers with millions of followers can reach a larger number of people, they can be very expensive. In summary, all you need to do to become an influencer is find a few thousand engaged followers. Let's see the steps that you would need to take to become a TikTok influencer. Firstly, select your niche. It's important that you choose a niche that you are interested in. You need to choose a niche that you can consistently create great content for, and this will be difficult if you choose a niche that doesn't excite you or that you have no expertise in. Find what you love doing and create amazing content around it. The only way you can attract an audience and get followers is by creating great content. You'll need to use a pro account. TikTok offers the option of a pro account for both creators and businesses. Creators account is best for public figures, artists, and influencers. Then you'll need to set up your profile. When setting up a profile, the two main areas to concentrate on are your profile picture and your bio. These are the first things a user will see when deciding whether to follow you. Your bio and profile picture should make a good first impression. If you feel like a picture is too bland, you can use a 6-second video as your profile picture, and this will add some personality to your profile. You'll need to understand your audience. Before you start creating videos for TikTok, try and understand your audience. To become an influencer, it's important that you create content that your target audience will love. Analyze the content that receives the most engagement. This will give you an idea of the kind of videos to create. You can also mirror the content strategy of other influencers in your niche. Obviously, you'll need to create amazing content. Quality content on TikTok sees a lot of engagement. The more creative and entertaining your videos are, the more likely they are to go viral. Viral videos tend to translate into new followers. The following steps can help you to create great TikTok content. Check out what your competitors are doing. Take inspiration from the current trends. Perform hashtag research to see what's trending in your niche. And have some fun. You'll need to be consistent. For increased visibility on TikTok, you need to post regularly and consistently. If you want to become an influencer, you need to upload quality content regularly. It's up to you to choose the frequency of your posts. Based on research of popular TikTok influencers, 1 to 2 videos per day is great. You'll need to engage your audience. Once you start building a following, it's important that you engage with your audience. Interacting with your audience will help you reach influencer status faster. You can engage your audience by replying to their comments or asking them questions through your video captions. You will also need to declare that you are interested in brand collaborations. To start making money as an influencer on TikTok, you need to let brands know that you are interested in collaborating. You can let brands know this via your bio. You can also start an outreach campaign or join an influencer marketing agency to reach potential clients. Tip number 2, grow and sell TikTok accounts. Another way to make money on TikTok is by growing and selling TikTok accounts. This is already popular on Instagram. Instagram users like 23-year-old Rami Haloon make $30,000 annually from flipping Instagram accounts. This strategy can be replicated on TikTok. To get started, find a niche and start creating interesting content around it. After growing the TikTok account to a certain level of followers' engagement, you can reach out to brands in that industry and sell the TikTok profile to them. The easiest kinds of accounts to sell are themed accounts. It's harder to sell personal accounts because they cannot be easily replicated by the new owners. With a themed account, you can easily find buyers. The followers of the profile are engaging with the account because of its theme. They might not even notice the change in ownership. For example, if you create a TikTok account around the videos of popular travel destinations and adventures, you can easily sell the profile to any business that offers travel services. You can also do this for other industries like fashion, food, fitness, beauty, etc. The key is to create an account that has quality content. The more followers and better engagement rate the TikTok account has, the higher the price you can sell it for. You can also collect donations. You can make money on TikTok by collecting donations from your viewers on livestream. TikTok allows creators to earn virtual gifts with monetary value via livestream. Here's how it works. Every user who is age 18 or older can purchase gifts and coins from their profile. You can see the prices of coins and gifts at the point of purchase. Once you've purchased the coins, they will be credited to your account. The prices of coins also vary, but you could get 100 coins for $1.39. There are also different gifts you can purchase. You can use coins to purchase gifts. The most expensive gift is the Drama Queen. It costs 5,000 coins. What can users do with gifts? Gifts are used during a live stream. TikTok users can offer their gifts to their favorite creators to show their appreciation. They can contribute this gift by clicking the Give Gift button below the relevant user content. What can content creators do with these gifts? The gifts creators receive from their fans can be converted into diamonds. The creator can withdraw these diamonds in exchange for monetary compensation. The cash will be paid directly into PayPal or any other payment channel if applicable. Your first and last name on your profile must match your PayPal account before you can be paid. Your PayPal account must also be verified. There is a catch. Not every TikTok user is eligible to join the TikTok livestream program. Selected users are chosen at the discretion of the platform. If you want to qualify for the platform, you can do the following. Consistently create quality content, increase your number of followers, and increase the engagement rate, likes, comments, and shares you get on your videos. Tip number 3, run an influencer agency. You can make money on TikTok by managing influencers and influencer campaigns. There are already a ton of influencer agencies for Instagram, and you can do the same for TikTok. Your influencer agency will help brands strategize, execute, and manage campaigns with TikTok influencers. Your agency will serve as the middleman between the influencers and brands looking for services. You will help brands determine the best influencers to work with. You can take it a step further by creating a social marketing strategy to meet the brand's goals. If you want to run an influencer agency, you should be able to do the following. Identify high-performing TikTok influencers with a good track record. Develop a relationship with top TikTok influencers. Have expertise in running successful social media and influencer marketing campaigns, and create successful influencer campaigns for different advertising categories. This will help you diversify your income stream. Note that TikTok already has its inbuilt internal influencer program, but it's a bit expensive. Smaller brands would probably prefer to work with influencer agencies because it would help them save money. Starting a reputable influencer agency takes time and effort. To get ahead of the curve, it's important that you start your agency immediately. The best part is that you don't have to limit your services to just TikTok. You can also run influencer campaigns for other social media platforms. Tip number 4, become a TikTok consultant. If you're an expert on TikTok, there are a ton of brands and even individuals that will pay for your services. If you know how to get thousands, even millions of views on your videos, you can teach others how to do the same for a consulting fee. Influencers can also offer consulting services, and it's a good way to leverage your expertise and also diversify your income. A good example of a TikTok consultant is Sean Young. He calls himself a professional TikTok consultant. He makes $10,000 a month, advising celebrities and businesses on the best kind of content for their brands. There is money to be made, so if you really understand the platform and have a track record for creating viral videos with high engagement rates, you should start teaching others how to do so. Tip number 5, publish sponsored posts. You can make money on TikTok by publishing sponsored posts. According to Business Insider, you can make an average of 0.1 to 0.2 of a cent for each sponsored view on TikTok. So if you have a video with 100,000 views, you can make $1,000 in sponsorships. After you've built a following on the app, you can reach out to brands and offer your services. The best part is that you don't need to have millions of followers before you can pitch to brands. All you need are a few thousand engaged followers and you're good to go. Look for brands that are interested in building their TikTok presence and reach out to them. You can also analyze the influencers in your industry to see the sponsors they work with. This will give you a good idea of the brands to reach out to. Once you have your list of target sponsors, send them a brief pitch in the form of an email. Here are the things to include in your pitch: who you are, what you do, important metrics like follower count and engagement rate, what makes you an expert in that industry or niche, your achievements. You can share success stories from previous sponsorship campaigns, for example. When you're just starting out, it's a good idea to work with smaller brands at first. This will help you build up your portfolio. Tip number 6, sell your own merchandise. You can make money selling your own merchandise on TikTok. The best part is that you don't need thousands of followers before you can sell your own products or services. Similar to the other social media platforms, you can use TikTok to promote your business or store. The secret is creating engaging content that will attract the attention of your target customers. So even with 100 followers, you can start making sales via the platform. For example, you may have a business selling beauty products. You can create 15-second makeup tutorials and post them on TikTok. In the last 3 seconds of the video, you add a promotional frame advertising your own products and how customers can reach you. By putting up interesting and creative videos, you will attract attention to your TikTok profile and also generate leads for your business. But how much money can you make from TikTok? Influencers with up to 100,000 followers can earn between $500 and $2,000 for sponsored posts in their videos. This value will also depend on the type of product, your number of followers, and engagement rate. In fact, your engagement rate is one of the most important factors that determines how much you can earn on TikTok. All brands would like to see this figure before deciding whether they will work with you and how much they will pay. Influencers get paid more when they have a high engagement rate, and brands know that influencers can easily buy followers. Hence, engagement rate is a more genuine metric to analyze the value of an influencer. This is the formula that you should use in determining your engagement rate. TikTok engagement rate equals number of hearts plus number of comments divided by number of followers times 100. Here's the bonus for the end: how to increase your TikTok views and boost your profile. To really make money on TikTok, you need to significantly increase the number of video views you get on the platform. More views will translate into more followers and a higher engagement rate. Along with the compulsory factor, which is creating great content, here are other ways that you can increase your TikTok views. Add hashtags to your videos. Adding hashtags can help increase the visibility of your videos. If you click on the Discover Search tab, you will see a list of trending videos by hashtag. While it's great to add hashtags to your videos, avoid the generic ones. Look for specific hashtags in your niche so that your videos can easily stand out. Collaborate with other users. You can reach out to other users to collaborate on videos. By collaborating with other users, you increase your audience reach. If you partner with an influencer who has a huge following, you can significantly increase the number of views your videos get. Post regularly. To increase the number of views your videos get and also your chances of getting to the For You page, you should post videos regularly on the platform. A ton of videos are posted on the platform per minute. To avoid getting lost in the sea of content, you need to post videos regularly. Use TikTok effects in your videos. Using TikTok effects in your videos will help you to stand out from the crowd. Under the Effects tab, you will find a wide range of effects that you can add to your videos. The effects are split into trending, new, interactive, animal, beauty, funny, editing, and world categories. Use TikTok ads. Brands that want to use TikTok to reach their target customers should consider using TikTok ads to amplify their reach. TikTok offers different advertising types that you can check out. And to help you get started, we've written an in-depth guide to TikTok ads on the blog. To sum up, TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms in the world. There are a ton of opportunities for making money on TikTok, from sponsored posts to selling your own merchandise on the platform. The key is to consistently create quality content that your followers will love and engage with. And we hope that this guide has helped you to get started with monetizing your videos on the platform. And that's all for today's episode. Don't forget that you can check out our other tutorials and interviews with experienced social media marketers on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and TuneIn. Please don't hesitate to give this episode a rating, and for all questions and comments or to inquire about being interviewed on ESM Squared, contact me directly via emily@iconosquare.com.